On Long Island, DNA testing was the focus again in the case against accused Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann. An expert took the stand to answer questions about its accuracy and reliability, and a judge will decide if it can be used as evidence in the trial. News 4's Pezzi Chang is following it.
A showdown in court today as both sides argued over whether or not DNA evidence can and should be admitted in this murder trial. Rex Heuermann's attorney, Michael Brown, challenging the prosecution's first witness, a professor who said this genetic testing is accurate.
Does she have the background, the qualifications, the know-how, the experience, the expertise to talk about a forensic application of this DNA?
Prosecutors defended the genetic testing that has linked hairs found at 6 of the 7 crime scenes to Rex Heuermann and members of his family. Brown called it magic.
They want to, in essence, have a jury rely on this, which is not trustworthy, it's not reliable, it's not scientific, and it shouldn't be utilized in a court.
Heuermann's lawyers argue this method of DNA testing has not been admitted in a New York court before and is substandard. Watching today's hearing, Heuermann's ex-wife, Asa Ellerup. The couple finalized their divorce, but Asa still in court alongside her daughter.
She's interested to learn about the DNA process. Obviously, one of her hairs and one of our daughter Victoria's hairs were some of the evidence that were found on some of the victims.
The trial resumes next Wednesday when the prosecution is expected to introduce more witnesses. It could take weeks for the judge to make a decision on whether or not this DNA evidence is admissible. In Riverhead, Pezzi Chang, News 4, New York.